paper isn't going to come off, and the clamp's not going to come off. I'll say that. I don't know how much we're going to get out of the fender, but...
Okay, let's fix, yeah. Can you fix that at all?
Yep. Yeah, that'll give us a little strengthening, stiffening. Yeah.
Pretty tight.
Yeah. A bit tighter for the road. I don't want to lose that. Man, it's tight. Now, let's see if I can get this one. Jack, why don't you come on this side and hold the fender down right there? Hold it right about there.
Okay, you want to get it outboard a little bit more? I mean, aft?
No, I want to keep it above this center, the hub here.
Yeah, okay.
For steering purposes. See, this
Is that fixed? So, yeah.
I'll take a look at it. I'm going to tighten it down so it stays, and I'm going to take a look at it. I might turn this thing down, too.
Yeah, I was just going to suggest that.
Let me take a look before I get it too tight. But I'll tell you, that's going to help some.
Yeah. They do the trick.
I can't see what's under this rail too well, but I know that clamp is on. It's on tight.
Gene, it looks...
Let me move this.
Move your left hand a little. Okay, tighten that now.
Get this out of the way.
Looks as if...
Let me loosen it and get a little straighter.
I think you need to straighten it.
Oh, I had it tight.
Well, but you know, you've got another piece in there.
Yeah,
so.
that's why it's crooked. It's over those pieces.
Yeah. And you might want to move it, if you could move it this way about an inch, you'd be past the ridge you got.
Well, I'm just taking John's word on the steering. I'm keeping it above the hub here.
Okay, tighten her down then. I think that'll stay.
I think it'll stay.
Why don't I turn this one
Okay.
down?
You won't get that any tighter.
No, I mean, why don't I turn that down, because we'll keep that much less to run into. There you go.
No, not too close to that wheel.
Okay. I think that's good.
Too bad we don't have one more clamp. Well, one more clamp probably interfere with the steering.
I think that'll stop the rooster tail, because
I think that'll stop a lot of it, Houston.
that's swinging forward. Okay, let's go.
Okay,
The maps are configured.
sounds like a good attempt, men. We'll hope it works.
Does that look good to John from what he did?
It looks exactly what he did, he says.
That tape will keep it. Yeah, but he didn't run in the dust, so I guess we'll have to give it a trial run.
Roger on that.
That ought to help some.
We're anxiously waiting.
Okay, Jack. I'm going high for a little bit. Okay, I need this. Oh, shoot. Now I want 4. I took 8 off. Oh, sir, I want 4 and 6. Why don't you just substitute,
Hey, I just took 8 off. Can we use 8 instead of 6?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, I don't see any reason why you shouldn't be able to use that, Jack. Go ahead. We'll just mark it down.
Okay. Turn around, Jack. Hey, Bob, we'll use 8 instead of 4.
Okay, understand. 8 will be
8
on...
instead of 4.
8 will be on the LMP.
That's affirm. 8 will be on the LMP.